Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. So, Valentine's Day is near the corner, and if you're looking for a quick, easy to go makeup tutorial, this one is for you. Okay, so a few days back, I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw this beautiful picture of Samantha, and she was looking ethereal, beautiful, and so I thought, why not give it a try? So, let's do this. Without any further ado, let's begin. I've prepped my skin way before and moisturized, and I'll definitely go with the color correcting. For that, I'll be using this palette from Inside Pro Concealer palette, and I'll color correct wherever needed. I've done color correcting wherever needed, and now I'll move forward to blending. For that, I'll be using a wet sponge and I'll dab it wherever needed. So since this is done, I'll move on to the next procedure, that is a foundation, and for that I'll be using these two. One is Elle Lasting Glow Foundation 03 Shell Shade, and the other is Mars BB Cream Skin Perfecting Color Correcting. I'll mix this two and I'll apply it all over. Good, onto the back of my palm, and I'll mix this two. And I'll apply it in dot motion. It's time for blending. Now that I am done with it, I'll move forward to securing my face with compact powder. With that, I'll be using Elle Lasting Glow Compact in the shade 03 Shell. Since I've set my face with the compact powder, I'll move forward to contouring. For that, I'll be using Eyetex Dazzler's foundation stick MLC23. It's very like. Now it's time for blending. Now for some blush, I'll be using Profound's Duo blush, and I'll use the pink one. Now that's done, I'll move forward to my eye makeup, and I'll be using a brand eyeshadow from the Mars Fantastic 15 eyeshadow palette. Next, I tightline my eyes with Lakme Iconic Kajal. Mascara is a must, and for that I'll use Blue Heaven's Extreme Length Mascara. Now this is a new baby in my collection. I'm using E.L.F. eyeshadow duo, this brown shade, to fill my eyebrows. Now for the highlighter, I'll use S.R.F Colors ST Baked Highlighter in the shade 02. Lastly, for lipstick, I'll use Elle Colourpop's matte lipstick in the shade N51, and I am all done. I hope you all guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-ta!